Kerry Brown today lost his appeal to the Supreme Court in which he sought to be reinstated as Executive Director of the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, JADCO. A copy of the correspondence under the signature of JADCO's chairman, Alexander Williams, the members of the board, seen by TVJ Sports, indicates that the Supreme Court dismissed the case brought by Brown and removed the injunction he had received. According to the document, the court's decision means that Brown's effective date of dismissal by the board remains at October 11, 2017. TVJ Sports sources say steps are being taken to have Brown vacate JADCO's offices in the coming days. In early September, JADCO's board members indicated that they had lost confidence in the leadership of Brown, who was appointed executive director in October 2013. The board noted that breaches surrounding the anti-doping process and the sample collection procedures were committed by JADCO during Brown's tenure. Of note were the cases brought against national representatives Kelly Spencer and Riker Hilton. Both cases were later dismissed by the Independent Anti-Doping